Hi,
Hi,
brother. How are you?
hi. I'm doing great. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine, brother. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Bangladesh in Mymensingh.
Okay. So, what's your name, brother?
My name is Tanbir Ahmed.
Tanveer Ahmad. Okay, it's nice name, brother. It's
Yeah,
outstanding. Seriously, Tanveer Ahmad. I love it. So, by the way, what do you do, brother? Are you student and doing job?
I'm a student and I also job. I also do job.
Okay.
So,
Okay,
brother,
you are doing a job. Uh-huh.
what do you do? What do you do?
Yeah, actually, first thing, like, my name is Samir, and I'm calling from India. I'm living in Mumbai, capital of Maharashtra. Maybe you heard about Mumbai. It's
Yeah,
very famous, you know. And brother, nowadays we can say I'm also searching a job. I done my education, like I'm a student, and I'm preparing something, brother. Nowadays, that's why reason I'm trying to learn a communication skill. I want to improve my communication.
yeah,
So by the way, brother, like what kind of study you are doing in your side?
yeah. I'm doing intermediate.
Intermediate.
Yeah.
Okay. Like we stream like science, commerce, arts,
Humanities, arts. It's mean the
art.
arts. Yeah,
Okay. So what's your future plan? Like you took art, so maybe you want to become a literature like teacher, like professor.
yeah, something like that. I wanna be teacher.
Okay, you want to be teacher. Like which subject you want to teach in front of?
Yeah, of course, English.
English. Okay, that's good. All right.
Yes, I'm learning English.
Okay, that's good. That's good, man. So right now, what kind of job you are working? You are doing?
Not much. It's very simple job I'm doing.
What, brother?
Simple job.
Simple job.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I understand. Okay, no
Brother,
problem.
I want to ask you something.
Please ask me.
I think I saw you some here in YouTube.
Yes, right. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I'm making a videos about English conversation. Why I'm making? Because whenever I try to make a videos with stranger people, brother, I feel too happy. I can improve myself. I can face my difficulty, like where am I, how I'm speaking, and what should I improvement. So that's why reason, brother, I try to upload over there. And second thing, brother, this is my hobby. I love to conversation with stranger. I love to making a video. This is my hobby, brother.
Yeah, brother, I am also.
Okay, you are also.
My
So what
hobby.
about your, what about your hobbies?
My hobbies is learning new language.
Oh, I see.
Nah,
Okay,
learning
that's
language, and
uh,
also YouTube videos.
oh, do you
When I
have YouTube videos, YouTube channel?
No, brother, I don't have a YouTube channel.
Okay. I mean, you are planning to upload, you are planning to create in future time like
Yeah,
YouTube videos.
yeah,
Okay. Oh, I see. That's good, man. So, brother, like you told me, my hobby is like I want to learn a new language. So,
yeah,
right now, how many language do you speak?
yeah. I can speak. First of all, Bengali is my mother language, and I also know Hindi language, and I'm learning English language.
Okay, so you can speak three language like your mother tongue, Hindi, and English. Second thing, you love to YouTube channel.
Yeah, I love to watch YouTube videos.
Oh, you love to watch YouTube video. I thought like you want to also start your own channel. Okay, okay. So,
No,
brother, what kind of video you want to watch on YouTube channel? Like we can say any motivational speech, any like comedy, any drama, any news. What kind of?
without news, everything. like funny videos, comedy videos, and learning videos.
Okay, that's great. So brother, like, I mean, if I tell you, like, you are watching a video on YouTube video, so what language you are trying to watch? What language?
English language.
English language.
And now I started English language learning. That's why I love to watch English movies, which is Indian dubbed, English dubbed.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's great. So how many videos you watch? How many movies you watch before?
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm asking like how many movies you watch already? Indian movies, dubbing movies. How many movies you watch? Like one, two, three, four.
It may be 9 or 10 movies.
Okay, 9 or 10 movies. Okay,
10
that's
movies.
correct.
And I also watch uh, short films, Indian English short film.
Okay. So brother, like, if I tell you, I'm going to recommend it you, like, you should watch a Hollywood movie, brother. Like any TV series, Hollywood TV series, Hollywood movie, because over there, like, a native Twitter use 1,000 of word in a video, in a situation. So that moment, brother, we can learn more and more. We can understand, we can, understand pronunciation, we can learn a vocabulary, we can learn a situation, how to talk, how to learn. That's the reason I'm trying to recommend it you. But if you talk about dubbing movie, brother, so we can say little bit, like, difficulty for pronunciation sometime. You
Brother,
know?
my listening is still not good. That's why I cannot understand they are talking.
Okay, okay. So if possible, brother, then you should listen podcast. Do you know podcast? Podcast. Do you know
No, brother.
podcast?
No, brother. What is it?
This is, we can say, brother, conversation, like any topic, and we can say podcast means around 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Over there only for conversation, only for audio, only for audio. We can call this is podcast.
Mm.
Okay. And if you go to YouTube channel, search out podcast means what, you will get a lots of video, you will get a like lots of audio also. Then try to listen, brother. If you try to listen this thing, then definitely your listening will be improving, your listening will be improving if you try to listen more and more. And seriously, you want to become a teacher, like English teacher, okay, and I'm also learning an English language, then we, whenever we try to listen more and more, brother, na, we will get an idea, we will get a, like, clarification what we are listening, how to be talk. So listening is very important, always
Yes, brother.
listen.
Yes.
Doesn't matter, song, comedy film, audio, we can say video, audio, podcast, conversation, just listen more and more and more, brother. Then we will improve our listening part. And whenever we improve our listening, definitely automatically we will able to talk in front of people, we will able to talk or practice, we will able to talk English language. Yeah, so it's very important, like listening, brother. Always I do myself. That's why reason I'm, suggesting with you, I'm sharing my idea with you. Okay, so listening is very important. Listening, we can say, power of learning.
Thanks, brother.
If I tell you, yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Thank you for thank you for advising me.
Don't say that thank you, brother. See, like, I'm also beginner, you are also beginner, we are learning an English language together. Okay, so if I tell you, like, how did you learn your mother tongue language, then definitely your answer will be like, I listen more, I observe more, and I try to speak more, you know.
Yeah.
So you did three things. So same thing English language, brother. If you try to listen, if you try to watch more, if you try to practice more and more, automatically you will learn English language. Nothing here we can say grammar part, nothing reading part, nothing like any English speaking classes, nothing. Just practice more and more.
Okay,
Yeah.
brother. You're right.
So, bro, like you are doing a study, I think. Am I right? Yeah, you're doing a study. You
Yeah,
told me.
you're
So
right.
over there, what kind of environment is going on? Like, you are learning an English language. So, are you enjoying your environment? Are you, you are getting a like English environment and your mother tongue environment?
My mother tongue environment.
Okay. So how do you practice yourself? How do you like, what do you do yourself about reading, listening, watching, speaking, and some kind of another activity?
Yeah, I'm watching movies and conversation, English conversation,
Okay.
and I also practice with myself. No
Okay,
other
with your,
way.
yeah, this is great thing, brother. This is great. If
Myself.
you try to talk to yourself, brother, definitely this is we can say good partner means like self.
Yeah.
Talk to yourself, elaborate yourself like what I'm doing, where I'm going, what I'm eating, what's my future plan, what my study. Just talk to yourself and try to record yourself like front of mirror, front of camera, record yourself. If you try more and more about related to English, brother, definitely you will clarify yourself and English will help you, we can say, learning. Okay. And
Okay.
we can say, I know that little bit starting point we will get a little bit difficulty, not little bit, too much difficulty. But if you try to practice a regular basis, automatically your difficulty to convert easy, brother.
Hmm. I can understand.
Yeah. So make a good partner, just use a social media. Over there, try to find a good partner like English language partner. Okay. If you
Okay.
get in, always talk any kind of topic, any discussion, just like 10 to 20 minutes, and whole day try to talk to yourself like what was conversation, what was topic, and what should I do, like just talk to yourself more. Because like I'm your partner, so obviously we just take a conference call, take a like as a conversation, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, 1 hour, maximum 1 hour, just a dim. But whole day I cannot talk with you. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
What should you do? You should try to talk to yourself. Just watch
Oh,
a movie, listen a conversation video, and we can say like read some kind of article, whatever would you like to do.
hmm.
So if you do, then you will clarify, brother. Definitely you will clarify.
Yeah, I can understand.
So how's going your study, brother? How's going your study? Are you attending online classes and offline classes?
No, brother. Always offline classes. Offline class.
Offline class.
Yes, brother.
In Bangladesh, like over there, college is open.
No, brother. Off. Stop.
Oh, okay. So you talk about like I'm taking a lecture offline.
Yes, offline.
So are you going to in a college regular basis?
No, I'm not going regular basis.
Okay. Oh, I see. So how do you study yourself, brother? How do you study? Where do you study?
Sorry, brother. Can you say
Yeah,
again?
how do you study yourself? At home, at college? Because you told me like my college has closed. Am I right?
Yes, close. Yes.
So
I'm
how do you?
studying in
Yeah.
my home.
Okay,
Studying.
study your room. Okay, okay. This is we can say like you are you are doing a study at home nowadays. Okay. Okay. So what about your exam? What about your exam?
No, brother. I can speak.
Okay.
I
Oh,
can.
I see. Okay. Yeah, nowadays it's very difficult to understand about. I mean, doing a study
Yes.
about exam. It's very difficult because we know very well like those days what's going on. Our mind is not working proper. I know that because see, bro, in if you talk about at home study, it's not proper study we can say. we do not understand some kind of like article, some question answer, some sum, some theory. So it's very difficult a little bit. But don't worry, like if you have a partner, if you have a friend circle, just talk about can we do group study. So over there you will, whatever you have any doubt, you can clarify over there. If you try to group discussion, if you try to do group study, it's gonna help for your exam and your future study, brother. So just try. And this is perfect time to do something, brother. This is perfect time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, I think we talked everything. Okay. So we have to stop here because our video is going to lengthy. Okay.
Okay, brother.
So thank you very much for connecting with me, and all the best to your exam, and be safe, brother. Don't go to outside, okay? And thank you very much for giving me your valuable time. Okay.
Okay, brother. See you
Bye
soon.
bye. Yeah. See you.